On this episode of DPV, I'm going to show you how to change a fan clutch. Welcome to DPV, I'm Josh, and today we're working on Ford Nan. So on the last episode that we were working on Ford Nan, got it a little more roadworthy, changed a few things out, and I got the exhaust fixed up a little bit, changed the oil on it and stuff. Drove it over town and it got hot, and I noticed the fan was not running. So when you have a fan clutch, it's got this little coil here, and basically it heats up and locks this fan in place. So like I can turn this right now, but when this heats up from the engine temp and just the temp inside the engine compartment, this should lock up solid and then your fan will turn. That is not happening on the Ford right now, so that is the problem. So if you're having overheating issues and you've got something like this on your fan, with the engine off, reach in there and turn your fan and see if it's locked up or not. And if it's not and the engine compartment is hot, you likely need to swap this out. It's about the same process for just about any vehicle with the fan clutch. I've done this on several rigs, different makes and models, and it's pretty much the same procedure. So if you're not working on a Ford, it'll probably still work for you. So basically what we need to do is likely take this fan shroud off, but we'll unbolt the fan first. But then the fan just gonna be kind of sitting in there, and we'll need to take the fan shroud off to pull it all out. So I'll work on that. Just looks like maybe 4 10mm bolts. It is not 10mm. 7/16 works. And I never know on this vintage truck if it's gonna be metric or standard. Oh yeah, that's gonna pop right out the bottom. Once you get your fan off, all you gotta do is pull the fan off the fan clutch and bolt it to the new one. Pretty simple. Alright, time to put it in the truck. No. Alright, let's go get this thing warm to see if this thing actually works. Well, looks like we solved our overheating issues. Now we've got oil leak issues. It just leaks all over the exhaust, so that's great. Anyway, that's how you change a clutch fan. Pretty easy. Pretty much every rig that has a clutch fan, it's about that procedure. So you may or may not have to take the fan shroud off. I didn't have to this time. I was able to drop the fan out the bottom. But yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. We have merch on Teespring. Link in the description below. You can shop on Amazon via any of the links in the description below. Come on Patreon. Last but not least, just like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Wheel it, wreck it, wrench it, repeat. See you next time.